Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Write the number of following expanded forms. So to write it, we first write it in descending order of exponents. So we have this equal to 0 into 10 to the power 6 plus 9 into 10 to the power 5, and all of the others are 10 to the power 2. So 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 2. Now this and this and this, these three are going to be 0. So we have this equal to 0 plus 9,000,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 400. So 9,00400. This is the answer.